tapered flange on the front of this part was created as a lofted solid, which makes it possible to be machined using a Swarf toolpath. In this example, we've created a simplified piece of geometry to make the toolpath creation even easier. First, we will open our Swarf toolpath and select a tool with a long enough flute length to machine the edge. On the second page of the operation parameters, we can select SOLIDWORKS solid faces to be used as drive surfaces. Because this is a SOLIDWORKS model, any changes to these original faces will prompt an immediate change to the Mastercam toolpath. If the tool is cutting from the wrong side when the toolpath is generated, we can correct this by toggling the swap checkbox in the cut parameters. Once the tool orientation is corrected, we can add as many multi-passes and depth cuts as required. Finally, we determine our linking strategy to control the tool's behavior on approach and retract.